It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
Where you put your knowledge to test
and battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
with detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.
Good morning, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, I am back with a new question series, day number 48, and we will deal some of the best geometry questions where these questions can be, have a chance of appearing of 90% in your examination, right? Exact properties, each and every question we will solve within 30 seconds, right? So shall we start the class there? So please do try to hit the like button so that I can reach to more number of audience here. Now, before start of the class, let me introduce myself. This is NLN Sharma, and my best CAT score was 99.83 in 2011, and these are my. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will get 10% discount, and you will get guidance of all these subjects. Now, why me? I'm ranked 33 in overall category of GATE and ESE and rank 1 in math and chemistry. I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE. Many students were asking me, sir, what is the difference between plus and iconic and what are the advantages when I choose iconic over plus? In iconic, one such greatest advantage is you will be assigned with a personal coach exclusively. How this coach will be helpful, right? Now you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship program with your coach and your educator so that you can speak with them personally about your difficulties facing during your preparation so that you will get best solutions to overcome that. One more greatest advantage, personalized test analysis. This is what most of the students need right now. They complain me this, sir, we have completed the entire syllabus but we are not able to solve the questions. We are not able to apply the things onto the questions. This is where your coach will be helpful. Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified. If those mistakes are rectified, your score will be boosted. Of course, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. So how much you have to invest? If you are choosing plus, and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 75 rupees per day, the lowest, where you will get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now, when you use my code NLN10, you'll get my guidance and my entire group guidance, right from Bhima sir, Vishal sir, Negi sir, finally to me. And you will be getting 10% off. After 10% off, the price will be 53,737. And for 12 months, it is 35,339 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 months. Of course, these are the normal prices, but we are giving you flat 20%. Now, when you use my code NLN10, yes, it is not 10%. You will be getting flat 20% discount, and this offer is valid up to July 29th. See here, 12 months plus price will be right now 31,412 only. It's not 35,339. So you can save more than 4,000. And yes, do you know, previously we used to offer printed notes to iconic subscribers only. Whomsoever subscribes before July 29th, you will be getting printed notes also. This offer is available for both plus and existing plus and iconic subscribers. Right? So do try to subscribe before July 29th using with my code NLN10. And of course, these are the prices for iconic. On these prices, you will be getting flat 20% discount. Also, printed notes availability is there. You use my code. So I'm clear. Do try to subscribe before July 29th here. So get this greatest, very good opportunity. Notes was prepared by topmost educators, right? And these are the batches which got started on July 21st. So I have started comprehensive course on General Aptitude sharp 3:30 p.m. So do try to join my course there. So 23 and 24 batch, right? Electrical and EC. So let's start the question there. I will solve this question. Next question you have to solve for me, right? Done. So observe in the adjacent figure, QB and RC are common tangents to two circles with centers as A and P, with B, C, Q and R being points of tangency. Length of AB is given as 3. These are common tangents, it seems. I'll write down the data first of all, whatsoever given there. Now see here, AB length is given. What is the first question? If PQ is equal to 9. In the first question, PQ length is also given and you are asked to find out angle QPA measure. Okay, so let's calculate this. Now you closely observe there, this line segment is not straight. Am I right or wrong? The A and P points are not on same fulcrum. So see here, I'll draw a straight line from point A to a point on PQ. Now A and X are exactly on the same line. I hope so you are getting my point there. A and X are on the same line. X, I'll take note this as X. Now everybody know PQ length is given as 9 according to the given data. AB length is given as 3. Now see here, AB XQ length will be exactly same. So QX length will be 3, XP length will be 6 because totally it is 9. And you are asked to find out angle QPA. This is the angle that was asked. Now everybody know AX is a straight line, so automatically this angle will be 90 degrees. Am I right or wrong? Now you closely observe there, what will be the AP length? Everybody know from A to this point it is 3. From this point to P it is nothing but radius called 9. So totally it is 12. Now closely observe there, triangle XPA is a right angle triangle. Will you accept this? Now what are the perpendicular sides there? AX square plus XP square is nothing but equal to AP square. Of course I can write down like this. Now see here, XP is nothing but the shortest side. Next side will be AX. Next side will be AP. Now find out the values there. XP value already you know it is 6. AP value is already 12. Now closely observe there, they are in the ratio of 1:2. So damn surely what will be your hypotenuse value is 2, smallest side is 3. Now this has to be damn surely √3 only na. Perfectly right. Now this has to be how much? It has to be 6 √3. Finally done. And my AX value is nothing but equal to 6 root 3. If you closely observe there, BAQX is nothing but called a quadrilateral. And again, AB length and XQ length are same, matlab BQ and AX length must also be same. Am I right or wrong? Opposite sides of a quadrilateral must be equal. I hope so you got my point there. Yes, so this will also, BQ value will also be 6 root 3. Let's come to the question QPA. Angle QPA is nothing but exactly opposite angle to 6 root 3. So see here, this is in the format of 30. So this is a special triangle where the sides are in the ratio of 1 is to root 3 is to 2. So this has to be damn surely 30 is to 60 is to 90 degrees triangle. And they go root 3 value is nothing but equal to 60 degrees. Opposite to root 3 is 60. My angle QPA is nothing but called 60 degrees. So this is the same question which was asked in a test series. I picked up the same question. So they have taken some 6 test series. Same question was repeated in different formats. Now let us see how many can solve the next question there. I will be giving you 2 minutes for this. Yeah, shall you observe this question there? Try this. Try this. Same data. So I'll write down the data which is same to this, right? So I'll take down AB length and which is given as 3. So this is PQ. Things which are common, I'll write down the same thing there. It's not exactly parallel. This will be the exact equal value there. Everybody knows this is 3. This value will also be 3. I'll take down this point as X. I'll not disturb you in between. I don't know about this completely. 1 minute more. Tikar, Pralay. Yesterday Pralay is there in my class. Bhavesh is there in my class. Anshita Gupta is there in my class. So if you be continuous, right? Trust me, I'll deal the best questions. And BQ value is given as 6, it seems. Now BAXQ will form a quadrilateral and see opposite sides are equal. So automatically BQ and AX must also be equal. Am I right or wrong? So by this also I can decide this now. So my BQ value is given as 6 in the question itself. So my AX value will also be 6. 3 seconds more. Any answer? And so if you're not active in the class, I'll directly solve the questions and leave the class here, right? So I'm giving you time to put your pen on the paper, right? Right. See, right? Anybody got the answer there? Nobody. Chalo. And again, you are asked to find out angle QPA. This is the angle that you are asked to find out. I don't know the radius of this PQ. It is not given in the question there. So I'll take down this as R. Now, how much will be this value? This value will be R minus 3. Will you accept with me? Yes. And everybody know from A to this point, it is radius, which is nothing but 3. From this point to P, it is nothing but radius of the larger circle R. Now, everybody know I have drawn an exact parallel line. Now, this will be 90 degrees. Yes or no? 30 degrees. No, Naman, it is not 30 degrees. Now, observe there AXP, triangle AXP is a right angle triangle. Okay. Now, in this, what are perpendicular sides? 6 square plus R minus 3 whole square is equal to R plus 3 whole square is nothing but hypotenuse side. By this, I can find out my R value. Then automatically, I can get the answer there. 36 plus R square plus 3 square is nothing but 9 minus 3 into 2 into R minus 6R is equal to R square plus 9 plus 6R. Am I right or wrong? So on LHS, RHS, R square plus 9 will be cancelled off. 12R is equal to 36 and my R value is nothing but equal to how much here? 3. So R value is 3 matlab, so X to P value will be 0. So by this, what can I say? There is no gap in between AX and AP. Am I right or wrong? There is no gap between AX and AP. They collude each other, right? They collude by one another. Automatically, what is the angle there? If they collude to one another, A and P lie on the same straight line, and it is exactly 90 degrees. My option number C. Done. I hope so you got my point there. Exactly done. Done. Very good. Let's come to the next question. Let us see how many can solve this. So I got 4 questions in this series here. 2 minutes. Try this. I'll keep this one. Try this. Same question. I mean, the secondary data changed there. If QB and RC extended, meet at O, and length of OA is, so I'll get some more best questions on this series also, right? So see here, I'll add one more circle into this funnel. Automatically see here what will be the radius of, what is the pattern of radius of this circles in this funnel, and it follows geometric progression. I'll deal all those questions. Tomorrow you'll get the best questions. One minute more. Seconds more. Any answer for this? Now, if QB and RC extended, meet at O, and length of OA is 9 units. And what is PQ length is asked, means you are asked to find out radius of the larger circle. Am I right or wrong? So you can do this question by similarities of triangles approach here. You might have done this type of questions very frequently, right? If you are serious aspirant for CAT, might have seen these questions. 15 seconds more. Answer. So be active in the class. If you are liking the session, just hit the like button, right? No. See, QB and RC are extended, it seems. So I'll take down like this. They extended like this, it seems. Now OA length is, now see, this is O. Take down like this, OA length. I'll extend up to PR. Now everybody know this length is already given. The basic question itself, AB length is 3 and PQ length, this is what your question is asked. So PQ I'll take down as radius R. I'll take down as radius R. And this length is given as 3. And OA is nothing but given as 9 in the given question there, 9. So this will be 3. This will be R. And we have one property. How many of you remember this? So radius of the circle will make 90 degrees with the tangent. Tangent perpendicularity theorem. Am I right or wrong? Can I write this way? Yes. You closely observe there. I can observe 2 triangles here. Let us write down this there. I am observing a triangle called, one second, observing a triangle called PQO, and I am observing one more triangle called triangle ABO. And these 2 triangles are similar by AA property, angle property. How? See here, both the triangles has 90 degrees common angle, and O is the common angle for both the triangles there. By this I can say these are similar triangles. Okay, then observe in this PQO triangle, I will take down PO length. PO length is similar to AO length because they reside on same base. And automatically radius PQ will be similar to radius of this triangle AB. Now what is PO length? PO length is 9 plus 3 plus R. Is it 12 plus R? Yes, it is 12 plus R. What is PQ length? PQ length is nothing but radius of the circle R. What is AO length? Already you know AO is nothing but equal to 9. How much is AB? Is it 3? So this becomes 3R and this R goes to that side, which become 2R. 2R is equal to 12. And my R value is nothing but equal to how much, ma? Is it 6? Yes, it is 6 and my answer is B. I hope so you got my point there. So application of the properties, geometry questions can be solved within seconds here, right? Even not more than 1 minute for sure. So the last question in this series, let's see how many can solve this. And again, I am giving you 2 minutes for this. So try it sincerely, right? So check where you are going wrong, then automatically only corrections will help you to improve your skills in solving the questions more. The same question. In the previous question, if OA is equal to 5, same data, OA is equal to 5, then what is the length of AP is the question asked. Length of AP it seems. Let's see. Answers 40 seconds more. Be active, yeah. Be active in the comment section box. There is no one will judge you here, right? It's all our practice session. If you are going wrong, correct it. Answer your things in the comment section box. 30 seconds more. Any answer? Data is same in the previous question. If OA is equal to 5. Patidar, Pralay Mehta, you were there in the class now. What happened? Chalo, right, I'll take down. Same thing. Say previous question matlab QB and RC are extended to meet at O. QB and RC are extended to meet at O. Sorry, wrong it. Perfect. Now see here, I'll extend this one. Everybody know AB length is given there. And see, PQ is nothing but radius of the larger circle. Data given there is AB length is given as 3. The data given there. Now we don't know about the radius of this PQ. I'll take down as R. And this is R up to here. This is 3. Now OA length is given as 5. Now what is the question asked? What is the length of AP? I can use the same concept now. See here, tangent perpendicularity theorem. Everybody know radius of the circle will make 90 degrees with the tangent. And here also radius of the circle will make 90 degrees with the tangent. By this I can decide there triangle PQO and triangle ABO are similar triangles by AA property, because they have a common angle called angle O and both has 90 degrees. By AA property I can decide these are similar triangles. And again up they go, right? In this there in PQO, PO length will be similar to AO length, everybody know, and radius PQ will be similar to AB length, similar triangles now. So I can take down this data. What is PO? PO is nothing 5 plus 3 plus R. So 8 plus R divided by PQ length is nothing but called R. Now how much is AO? AO is nothing but given as 5. AB length is given as 3. So 5R is equal to 8 3s are 24 plus 3R. So automatically 2R is equal to 24, R value is equal to 12. Now you are not asked to find out PQ length, you are asked to find out AP length of code. Right? So 12 plus 3 add, answer will be 4,000. If you got this, yes, yes, Naman, very good. Yes, Rajan, very good, excellent. So one such questions on parallel tangents, right? All common tangents and all these things. So let's go with the next one. This is a previous question, not exactly the PYQ. Diagram was not given in the examination, so I have given this diagram. In the given figure, find the radius of the smaller circle. If two larger circles each have a radius of 1 unit, keep it as 1 unit here. You are asked to find the radius of the smaller circle. It's in this one. So try this. I'll be giving you 2 minutes for this. Let's see how many can solve this. Two larger circles each having a radius of 1 unit. This was asked in 2020 CAT, similar type of question. In that they have given in verbal format, you have to draw the diagram, but here I have drawn the diagram. Those who are joining the class, please do try to hit the like button here. One minute more. 0.25 Raman Thotla. Might be your right. So anyone saying the same answer, I'll stop the poll and I'll do it. So Raman, right? This is an easy question, na? So I'll end the poll. Raman have given the answer. Let's see whether he's right or wrong. So this is the center of the circle for this. So I'll be taking down radius of the circle as this one. Now see here, this is also radius of the circle here. You closely observe there, this is the center of this circle. This is the center of the small circle. Take down the length here up to here. So here. And I'll take down this line segment also like this. 1 second. So here. If you closely observe there, this length is 1 unit here. Now this is, so I'll take down the small radius, I'll take down the smaller circle radius as like this. 1 second. Now what will be the, I'll take down this radius as R and this value will be 1. So finally total length will be how much, R plus 1. Am I right or wrong? This length will be how much? R plus 1. Yes, perfectly. Now how much will be this length? Now you closely observe there. I can take down like from here to here. This is nothing but equal to total radius of the larger circle called 1. In this, how much you are removing there? You are removing R. So automatically what will be this value there? Is this nothing but called 1 minus R? Will you accept with me? So those who can understand this can easily solve the question there. From here to here, right? See, I'll draw a parallel line. You can understand this. See here, this is nothing but called 1. In this, you are removing this value called R. So 1 minus R is left over. So by Pythagoras theorem, now this is your 90 degrees angle there. By Pythagoras theorem, can I write down this as 1 square plus 1 minus R square is equal to 1 plus R square? Will you accept with me? And we have done a similar type of question like this, right? So 1 plus R square minus 2R is equal to 1 plus R square plus 2R. Okay, now see here, 1 plus R square will get cancelled off. 1 is equal to 4R. My R value is equal to 1 by 4. Yes, Raman gave me the answer there. But 0.25. Similar type of question was asked in CAT 2020, right? Hope so you remember. Those who are, preparing for CAT, right? Seriously, you might have solved all the PYQs. Now, this is also one more PYQ, not exact PYQ. It was asked in a similar fashion. Let's see how many can solve this. 2 minutes. Some around 2011, 12, no, before 2010 only, man. This question was asked in CAT examination before 12 when it was paper and pencil. In the figure, AB is a chord of circle with center O. It is extended to meet the diameter PQ at R such that OB is equal to BR. OB is equal to BR. Okay. Angle ARP is nothing but given as X degrees. And angle AOP is given as KX degrees. What is the value of K is the question asked. See how many can solve this. Rajan, Naman, Raman. All starts with R. Shikhar. Anshita Gupta, right? Where she is today. Sai. They're my regular students. Seconds more. Seconds more. No answer. क्या हुआ राइट आपको बेसिक ट्रायंगल प्रॉपर्टीज ना रमन अब देखो in the figure AB is a chord of circle with center O. It is extended to meet the diameter PQ at R such that OB is equal to BR. Now OB is equal to BR. If you closely observe there, OBR is an isosceles triangle. Angle ARP, this is angle ARP beta and this is given as X degrees it seems. Now closely observe there, triangle OBR is an isosceles triangle. Angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. Now angle opposite to this X, now this will also be X degrees. How many will accept this? And you closely observe there, I will take down one more line segment from AOP and this is the point given there. What is the point given there? Angle AOP. This is your angle AOP beta. And this was given as KX degrees. Okay, fine. I can write down one more point. Observe triangle AOB. In triangle AOB, AO is radius, OB is radius. And angles opposite to equal sides will be equal. Yes, perfectly. Now closely observe there. This is nothing but called exterior angle to triangle OBR. Exterior angle of a triangle will be equal to sum of interior most opposite angles. Sum of interior most opposite angles is nothing but 2x degrees. If this is 2x degrees, angle opposite to equal sides will also be 2x degrees. And this is 2x degrees. Now, how much will be this? This will be 180 minus 2x degrees. Am I right or wrong? Because sum of the angles of a triangle must be 180 minus 4x degrees, right? I hope so you got my point there. Now, combinedly, all these angles together will be, sum of the adjacent angles will be equal to 180 kx degrees plus 180 minus 4x degrees plus x degrees is nothing but equal to 180 degrees. Hope so you got my point there. Now this 180 gets cancelled. Kx is nothing but kx degrees is nothing but equal to minus 4x plus x will be minus 3x. Come to this side will become 3 and my k value is equal to 3. Most of the students confuse and write down as 4. Raman gave me the answer there. Excellent. Basic triangle properties, right? Nothing more than that. Let's come to the next question. Now, this is one such finest question I have seen in one block. I got this question there. Let's see how many can solve this. And again, this is also basic triangle properties here. Those who know right angle triangle properties, Pythagoras theorem can solve this question very, very easily. And again, a little bit twist of a previous PYQ only, this one. So Vaibhav, right? So if you are so interested, I have done a playlist right from basic to the highest level. You can watch that. That will be helpful for the examination. I'll share that playlist to the Telegram groups, right? If you are in any Telegram group of our Unacademy, I'll share that there. Limited only, right? We have only limited properties. Application of that properties you have to learn, right? But when you are aiming at Asia's toughest examination, you should learn all these things, right? Now, how many of you got this answer there? In a right triangle ABC. In a right triangle ABC, B is the right angle. A circle with center O located on AB. Okay? A circle with center O located on AB is drawn such that AC and BC are its tangents. Okay? If AO is to BO is 25 is to 24 and the length of the perimeter is 392 centimeter, find the length of AC is the question asked. We'll take the diagram there, then we can understand it what we are doing. Here. So the point here is this is AB, because why I have drawn AB like this means you can closely observe there AO is to BO ratio is separate. So certainly A is not on this top of the circle. I mean on the circumference of A point is. So I'll draw this. Now see, this is a tangent. Is also a tangent. I'll take down like this. This is A. This is B. I hope so I met the conditions of the given question. Now angle B, right angle it seems. B is right angle. Now see here, this is center of the circle. I'll take down this as O. Now closely observe there AO. I'll take a common factor because this is a ratio. I'll take down as X. So AO is 25X. Now how much is BO? BO is nothing but called radius of the circle, which is nothing but called 24X. Okay, now what is the question asked? AC length. Now dekho beta, this is also radius of the circle. Will you accept with me? Yes. I will take down this point as D. How much is this? This is also 24X. And you closely observe there. BC and AC are tangents. Okay, fine. Now, OD is nothing but radius. AC is nothing but tangent. Radius of the circle will make 90 degrees with the tangent. By this I can write down. Triangle AOD is a right angle triangle. And what are the perpendicular sides? AD square plus 24x whole square is equal to 25x whole square. What will be AD value? How many of you got this value there? AD value will be 7x now, because this is 625x square minus this will be 576. So 26 will be 49. Am I right? So AD value will be 7x. How many of you got this value there? So I'll take down this 7x. Now everybody know one more point. When you draw two tangents from an external point onto the circle, those two tangents will be of equal length, and everybody know about this property. Now from C you have drawn up to B. Now BC length will be 5, and therefore DC length will also be equal to 5. Why not 5? Why? Now I will be calculating my AC length there. Now ABC is a right angle triangle where AB square 25 plus 24 is nothing but 49x square plus y square. BC length, these are perpendicular sides, is equal to y plus 7x whole square. I can calculate by this easily, right? Let's do this. 49x is nothing but 2401. How many of you know this? So you have to know the squares. Yesterday only I have seen a faculty teaching how to calculate squares fastly. Right? Y square is equal to, this is y square plus 49x square plus, this is nothing but 2 7s are 14xy. Everybody know y square gets cancelled. 2401 minus 49 will be how much beta? Declare this. 2352 x square divided by 14 is nothing but equal to xy. X and x gets cancelled now. 2352 by 14 is nothing but equal to 168. So y value is nothing but equal to 168x. By this, my AC value will be how much, ma? Everybody know 168x plus 7x. Is it nothing but called 175x? Yes. You might get a doubt there, sir. How should I remove this x value? Here you can easily remove because the data given there, perimeter of this triangle is 392. Add these all things there, 49x plus 168x. Y value is 168x plus 175x. This will be equal to 392 only. You can check there. Yes, 9 plus 8, 17. Perfectly, ma. You can check there. 168 plus 175 plus 49 is 392. So by this, my x value will be equal to 1. My answer AC value is nothing but equal to how much, ma? Is it 175x? Yes, it is 175. Is my answer there. So basic properties of the triangles and circle properties will help you to solve this question very, very easily. So how many of you got this? Clear? Any doubts, you can post me in the comment section box here. I'll explain it again and again. Don't worry about that. Let's come to the next one. Again, let's see how many can solve this. If you know the formula of in circle, circumcircle, then only you can solve this question easily, or otherwise it will take a little bit more time. Let's see how many can solve this. In a right angled triangle LMN, the two perpendicular sides LM and MN measure 7.5 centimeter and 10 centimeter respectively. I hope so. You remember the formula of circumcenter, circumradius, and in radius. Those who know this can solve the question very, very easily. So I'm touching wide varied questions. You try to watch this. Trust me, you'll get full to full marks in your CAT quant section, whatever geometry question it was asked. Please do try to hit the like button here. So see, hit the like button, automatically I can reach to the audience. Any answer for this? In a right angled triangle, it seems LMN, the two perpendicular sides LM and MN measure 7.5 centimeters and 10 centimeters respectively. If in radius of triangle LMN is small r centimeter and circumradius of triangle LMN is capital R centimeter, which of the following must be true is the question asked. Automatically, as it was given circumradius and in radius, I'll take a circle there. Make sure that it will be easy for me. This is a circle, it seems. The point given here is triangle LMN is there. It is a right angle. The perpendicular sides are LM and MN, it seems. It was there. Your right angle triangle, then perpendicular sides. Now, LM length is given as how much, ma? 7.5. 7.5. MN length is given as 10. I have to take one more circle, in circle also, na? Until I cannot do this. Circle, draw like this. This is in circle. Now closely observe there. This is nothing but called your in radius. Small r. Let's calculate this. What is capital R? What is the radius of the circumcircle in a right angle triangle? Did anybody got this idea? First of all, by Pythagoras theorem, let us find out. Yes, Mayank, it is worthwhile, right? So you are asking me, an educator, whether it is worthwhile or not. Certainly they are up to industry standards. So observe this question there, 156.25. Is it 12.5? Let me know. Yes. So my ln value by Pythagoras theorem, it is nothing but 12.5 ln value. Now, how many of you know circumradius formula? If you know this, automatically you can, capital R is nothing but circumradius is equal to ABC by, ABC means length of the sides of the triangle, divided by 4 into A. A means area. So observe there, capital R is equal to, what is your A value? 7.5. Let us suppose take like this. B value is nothing but equal to 10. And my C value will be 12.5. Everybody know about this. Divided by 4 into area. 4 into area of the triangle is nothing but half into base value is 10. Height value is 7.5. Understood? Yes. By this, what can I do? 10, 7.5 will get cancelled off. Ones are 2, 2s are, it will be 12.5 by 2. Everybody know this is nothing but equal to 6.25. In a right angled triangle, circumradius will be equal to half of the hypotenuse. That everybody knows. So I can write down this R is equal to hypotenuse ln divided by 2 whatsoever. In a right angle triangle, circumradius will be equal to half of the hypotenuse. Let's come to the in radius. Capital R into S is nothing but called semi perimeter, which is nothing but equal to area. To accept with yes. Semi perimeter is nothing but A plus B plus C by 2. What is A plus B plus C by 2? So A is 7.5, 12.5 is nothing but 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 divided by 2 into in radius small r is nothing but equal to radius area of the triangle, half into 7.5 into 2 gets cancelled, 0 0 gets cancelled, and my r value is 3.5. 3 is 7.5 by 3. 7.5 by 3 is nothing but equal to 2.5. Am I right or wrong? Yes. Closely observe there. This is your capital R. What is the relationship between capital R and small r? So R is 6.25. Capital R is nothing but equal to small r whole square. 2.5 whole square will be equal to 6.25. The relationship there, and my option number C satisfies there. In this entire scenario, those who know the formula of in radius, those who know the formula of circumradius can solve this question very easily. If you try to solve with this another approaches, right, it will take so much of time to solve the question. I hope so. I am clear. Yes. Sure. Let's go for the next question there. Similar type of question here. Let's see. Okay, chalo. Let's see how many can solve this. As let us acquainted with the formulas of circumradius and in radius. I want you guys to answer this question. Try this. So at least, right, I'll make you to solve more than 600 different type of questions now. I'll not repeat the same pattern question again and again. More. 30 seconds more. Any answer? No answers, right? Raman, Vaibhav asked me a doubt. Basic question, na? Let's solve it. In a triangle PQR, PQ is 12, PR is 15. Let X be a point on QR such that PX is perpendicular to QR. If length of PX is 9 centimeter, find the radius of the circle circumscribing PQR. Circumscribing means we'll be taking down like this. There is a triangle PQR like this. I don't know whether it is an equilateral triangle or something. I'll take down PQR. The thing given there, PQ is given as 12 centimeter, PR is given as 15 centimeter. Let X be a point on QR such that PX is perpendicular, it seems. I'll take X value. X is perpendicular to QR such that PX is given as 9 centimeter. Find the in radius. Here basic formula only now. So circumradius R is equal to ABC by 4 into area. Those who know this formula can solve the question there. Fatafatna. I'll take down A value as 12, value as 15, C value as nothing but QR. Okay. Divided by 4 into half into area of the triangle. Base value is QR and height value is PX because it is given as perpendicular. So I'll write down 9. QR gets cancelled. So this will be 2, 6, 2 3, 5. What is your circumradius answer there? R is equal to 10. Good basic question. Thought you guys will solve this question immediately. Go. Why are you so dull today? Right? And again, let's see how many can solve this, right? So this is a little bit typical question here. You have to know a little bit of trigonometry also. If you know trigonometry, then you can solve this question very, very easily, right? Let's see how many can solve this. So people might think that this can be solved with Apollonius theorem or Stewart's theorem, but it is not that much easy, right? One minute more, any answers? Try one test, Mayank, then you can decide it, right? Depends upon the perception of the. Some students want more toughness in verbals, more toughness in LRDI, based upon their weak sections. No answer. Over, right? Plus, I'll take a triangle there. In a triangle ABC, angle A is 60 degrees, it seems. triangle ABC. AB is an angle by AD is an angle bisector, it seems. Okay, fine. So AD is an angle bisector given there. So automatically this angle bisector will divide the angle at the vertex into two equal halves. This becomes 30 degrees and this becomes 30 degrees. Everybody know about this. Side AB is nothing but 8. Side AC is nothing but 10. Calculate the length of AD is the question asked. 4 root 3, no yaar, no Rajan. So देखो, we have a formula, right? How many of you know this? When you know the angle of one vertex and the sides attached to the angle, then area of the triangle will be, no yaar, half into AB sin theta. How many of you know this? When you know the angle attached to the vertex and the line and the sides attached to that angle, then automatically area of this triangle is half AB sin theta. So total area of the triangle ABC is nothing but equal to half into, I know this, right, half into 8 into 10 into sin 60, sorry, 60 degrees, which is nothing but equal to triangle ABD plus triangle ADC. Will you accept with me? Yes. So I'll calculate this. अब देखो ध्यान से, half into, right, AD value to, now see this one, B, two sides attached, right, 8 into sin 30 degrees plus half into ADC triangle, half into, right, your B, this one is 10 and AD value into sin 30 degrees. Hope so you got my point there. Now you can solve this question very easily. So 2 ones are 2 fours are sin 60 is nothing but equal to how much more? Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 is nothing but equal to 20. So this is 20 root 3. Will you accept with me? Is equal to half into, this is 4. Sin 30 is nothing but equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is nothing but called 2 AD plus how much will be, this is also 2 ones are 2 fives are, so 5 AD sin 30 is 1 by 2, 5 AD by 2, 5 AD by 2. Automatically this will go to that side, which will become 40 root 3 is equal to 2 twos are, this is 9 AD. Right or wrong? So my AD value will be how much? My AD value is nothing but equal to, is it 40? Yes, 40 root by 9. My answer there, yes. So guys who know this formula, right, this is what, right, application of properties is nothing but you have to know derivations. Nobody will ask you to derive the formulas, right? So CAT is purely applicative format. Okay, my option number B is true. So how many of you got this answer there? Clear? We'll do 2 more questions, then I will end the session there. Now this is one of my favorite question here. This I took it from IMS test series, right? Once check this, see how many can answer this. New students added. Minute more. seconds more here. Any answers for this? Expecting the best answers from you. A circular table is pushed into the corner of a rectangular room in such a way that it just touches two adjacent walls. An ant crawling on the table rim on the minor arc between the 2 points of contact observes that it is 8 inch from one wall and 1 inch from the other, it seems. Find the diameter of the table is the question asked. So I'll take down the table first of all. This is a circular table. So it is pushed into the corner of a rectangular room, it seems. I'll take down like this. Now, is this nothing but call your minor arc? And your ant is here, it seems. This is your ant. And this has a ant. Now, it is 8 inch from one wall. So I'll take down like this. It is 8 inch from one wall. And it is 1 inch from other wall. Am I right or wrong? Is this the point given there? 8 inch from one wall of the rectangular room. And it is 1 inch from one wall. Okay, fine. Now, this is your center of the circular room. You are asked to find the diameter of the table. And you closely observe there. Observe here. Can I take down? This is nothing but call your radius of the. This is nothing but your radius of the. Okay, I'll take. This is nothing but your radius of the table there. Perfectly done. Closely observe there. Here to here it is radius. But I need only up to here only. So see here, I'll write down the lines. I need only up to here only. This is what I need right now. So what should I eliminate here? See, I don't need this. How much is this value beta? Totally this is radius now. Now you have removed 8 inches. Now this value is nothing but equal to r minus 8. Because as I am considering this as radius of the. Now how much will be this? You closely observe there. I'll take down this line segment up to here. This is nothing but exactly equal to this. How much did you remove there? 1. Am I right or wrong? So this value is nothing but equal to from radius. From radius, I have removed 1 inch value. Now this is nothing but called r minus 1. By Pythagoras theorem, I can solve it very easily. See, this is your right angle there. So r minus 1 whole square. You will get a quadratic equation. How many of you got the same value there? R minus 8 whole square plus is equal to r square. Let's calculate this. R square plus 1 minus 2r square plus 64 minus 16r equal to r square. I can cancel 1r square, 1r square. Finally, the quadratic equation is r square minus 2 minus 18r. So plus 1 plus 64 will become 65. Now closely observe there, 13 5s are 65, minus 13 minus 5 will be minus 18. Automatically my roots are r minus 13 and r minus 5. Both are positive, but I cannot take down 5 because if I take 5, this value will become negative. Negative values are not valid. So my r value must be equal to damn surely 13. Don't jump into conclusion. You are asked to find out diameter value. Diameter value is nothing but equal to 2r. 2r value is nothing but 20. There is 13 there. You will be jumping to your first option there. The question was asked diameter. 2r value is the question asked. 2r value is 26 inches. I hope so. You got my point there. Clear? Yes, perfectly. We go for the next one. Last one. Let's do this question. I'll end the session there. And previous question we'll do it tomorrow. Okay. Try this. Series today. So observe the question carefully. Let's solve this and we'll continue in the next class. 1 minute more. So if you can draw the diagram perfectly, automatically solving is very, very easy. There is no that much hyperbolic properties to conclude this question. No one. So the question there, a stick of length 15 centimeter leans on a spear, it seems. So this as a spear of radius 5 centimeters, okay, lying on the floor. So what I will do is I will take down this as floor. I'll take down this as stick length. A certain length of the stick length extend beyond its point of contact. Now see, this is point of contact. This is point of contact and the stick is extending beyond the point of contact, it seems. Is there any other point given there? Yes. Radius of the sphere is given there. I'll take down, this is the O, right, and this is nothing but called radius. I'll take down certain alphabets once to have more clarity. This is center of the sphere O. I'll take down this point as A. I'll take down this point as B. And point of contact of the stick is C and extended length is CD. Will you accept me? Is this nothing but called radius of the sphere? Yes, perfectly. Is there any other point given there? Yes. Beyond its point of contact with the sphere, find this extended length. If the point of contact is exactly 8 centimeter above the floor. Now say this is the point of contact, this is the floor. So the distance between floor and point of contact is 8 centimeter, it seems. 8 centimeter, it seems. I hope so I am clear regarding this. So I'll take down a point called, let us suppose take X here. Now closely observe there, I'll take down one more point. Now here to here, what will be the length there? Now closely observe there. This is OA is radius and I'll take down this point as Y. YX also will be equal to radius length. Am I right or wrong? This is 5. This will also be 5. Yes, if this is 5, now what will be YC length? Total it is 8 now. This will be 3. Now everybody know. Now closely observe there. Any other point left out there? Now this is your radius 5. Now this is a right angled triangle. Am I right or wrong? Will you accept with me? Yes. Now what will be this length? Pythagorean triplet 3, 4, 5. This will be 4. And AX length will be 4. Now everybody know from an external point called B, if you draw two tangents onto the circle, these two tangents will be of equal length up to point of contact. Now see here CB up to point of contact. Let us suppose take, I will take down this length as P. Now closely observe there AB from point of contact A. This will also be P. Hi Madhavi, right? You are a new student, then fine. What will be XB? Remove this 4 there. Is it P minus 4? Now observe triangle CXB. CXB is a right angle triangle. Everybody know this is your 90 degrees because exactly parallel line. This now closely observe them. 1 second. Right now see here CXB. Now CX square plus XB square is nothing but equal to CB square. Yes, it is a class for CSE students also. It's a common subject. CX square is nothing but called 64 8 square. XB square is nothing but called P minus 4 whole square is equal to what is CB square? CB square is nothing but called P square. Calculate all those things. 64 plus P square plus 16 minus 8P is equal to P square. Now P square gets cancelled. 64 plus 16 is nothing but equal to 80. Minus 8P goes on to the right hand side, will become 8P, and my P value is equal to 10. Now if my P value is equal to 10, now say total stick length is given as 15. Now what will be the extended length beyond the point of contact? Is it 5? Yes, it is 5. My option number C exactly satisfies this. I hope so I am clear regarding this. So we'll solve some of the best questions right in the next class also. So do try to join my question series. It will be damn helpful for your preparation. So as you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESE category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription. Yes, you can use my code NLN10 to unlock combats using with my code NLN10. You can unlock free classes on Unacademy using with my code NLN10. And the price for plus for 12 months will be 35,339 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Of course, these are normal prices. Up to July 29th, we are giving you flat 20% discount. And do you know, right, apart from this flat 20% discount, whomsoever subscribes to plus also, you will be getting printed notes. So it is a double bonanza. You will be getting printed notes and you will be getting flat 20% discount. So when you subscribe to plus also, so do try to subscribe before the offer ends there. And these are the normal prices. On these prices, you will be getting 20% flat discount, right? And also printed notes. So this is valid for both plus and iconic subscribers, right? Whomsoever want to subscribe to only test series, right? Yes, you can use this. Done. So yes, I am forwarding all my notes to community feature, right? Yes, I will be interacting with you. You can ask each and every doubt. Notes will be forwarded there, right? Do try to use this. And yes, Unacademy has an extraordinary wing called Unacademy Ask a Doubt. You need not wait for any other one to help your doubt side. Click the picture of the doubt, upload in doubts and solutions, select your preferred language and get the video solution within minutes. Ask 3 doubts at a time. Do try to join. So try this mock HPCL test there, which will be on July 24 sharp 12 PM, right? And yes, do try to join my special classes, man. There are huge crowd for my strategy sessions there. Do try to attend one session. You only will accept that this is the best strategies that you will be learning, right? And yes, please do try to hit the like button if you like the session. Share the sessions so that I can reach to more number of audience. Subscribe to the channel. Thank you in advance, right? Download the PDF from the Telegram groups and communities. Hit the bell icon. Thank you. Have a nice day.
It's time to experience something glorious. Unacademy Combat. Compete, crack, conquer.
A challenging GATE contest engineered to give you an experience like none other.
where you put your knowledge to test.
And battle it out with the best.
To bring out the best in you, Unacademy Combat is the most competitive, gamified contest for GATE till date, with the best of the questions by best educators.
With detailed video solutions from top educators right after each contest.
Combat live with peers to get real-time rankings and win big.
Participate in every contest to improve your ratings.
Challenging contests every fortnight or alternate Sunday. Live ranking after every question. Big rewards for top rankers. Your passion to crack GATE deserves this. Your hard work towards your dream deserves this. Fuel your inner fire for the ultimate GATE challenge. Unacademy Combat. Register now.